Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when search is not working on your Windows 11 computer. So after updating your Windows 11 to version 22H2, so after updating this version, if the search is not working, so when you click on the search icon, if nothing happens, or when you type in over here something, if nothing happens, so if the search is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart Windows Explorer. For this, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape key on the keyboard. So press Ctrl, Shift and Escape. This will open Task Manager on your computer. Now under the Process tab over here, you will see Windows Explorer. So make a right click on Windows Explorer and then click on Restart. Now once done, now again check the search. So the search should start working. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, repair all Windows apps via PowerShell command. So all the commands are provided in the video description. So you can copy these commands from video description. Now first of all, press Ctrl Shift and Escape once again on the keyboard. This will open Task Manager. Now over here you can see the option which says run a new task. Click on it and then over here type in PowerShell and then put a check on the box which says create this task with administrative privileges and then click on put a check over here and then click on OK. Now this will open PowerShell. Now copy this command, copy the first command and paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time and during this process you will see errors like this. So if you see errors like this, just ignore it and then run the next command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now again this process will take some time and during this process you will see errors like this. Just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once this is complete, now you can restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this, and after the system restart, check the search and that should fix it. So this process will take some time. Once this is done, then restart your computer. Now next step is to update Windows 11 using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, you can update your Windows 11 using media creation tool and this should definitely work. This has worked for me, so it might work for you. So just update your Windows 11 using media creation tool and then restart your computer and then check.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the search working on your Windows 11 computer after updating your Windows 11 to 22H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.